Tropical paradise after that point, right?
We're having a big party.
Never to be seen again. All right, let's talk about our winter weather for a little bit later on today. We've got winter storm warnings that have been issued for Winston, Marion, and Lamar counties. The areas, unfortunately, that were hardest hit by the ice storm a couple of days ago. That does include Double Springs, Haleyville, Hackleburg, Winfield, Guin, Hamilton, Scottsville, Sulligent, Detroit, and then you can see the advisory area, winter weather advisory in effect for Fayette, Walker, and also Pickens counties this afternoon starting at 1 o'clock. Both of these start at 1 o'clock and last through tomorrow morning. Specifically, what are we expecting at the onset of this? As this moves in this afternoon, we'll likely see a mix of some sleet and snow, and it could come down pretty heavily at times for the northwestern corner of the state. Accumulations of sleet and snow on the order of 1 to 2 inches in the warned area, and then perhaps up to an inch here as you get into the advisory area. Now, we may still see some sleet and snow mixed in with a cold rain here as you get closer to the I-20 corridor, but it doesn't look like we would see any impacts or accumulations from that. And then once we get into later on tonight, it looks like the freezing line tries to retreat northward, and for most of us, it should just be a cold rain. But let's take you through the futurecast, and you can see by the early to mid-afternoon, it's going to start to arrive. Again, as I mentioned, in the form of some sleet and snow. This is at 7 o'clock early this evening, and that mix could happen even a little bit further south. But if you'll notice, temperatures are well above freezing this evening here along the I-20 corridor. That's why we're not expecting really any impacts from that. But where we're a little bit closer to the freezing mark, if not below, here across the extreme north and northwest, that's where we're expecting some accumulation and therefore some impacts. Once we get into tonight and into the overnight period, you can see that freezing line kind of retreats further north. And so for many of us, it could just be a cold rain. Now, some of these numbers stay at or below freezing. We could actually see some freezing rain at the end of this, which would deposit a nice little thin glaze of ice on top of that sleet and snow that we'll be seeing a little bit earlier in the day. So quite a mess again across the area. Otherwise, for most of us, a majority of us will just see a good cold soaking rain. And then some of this will linger in the form of some showers and maybe even a few snow showers on Thursday before finally on Friday we do start to dry out. It is cold out there. It's 14 degrees in Coleman, 19 in Birmingham. Again, more impact weather later today with that winter threat into Thursday. Here's the best news of all, though. The weekend looks really good, so Harmony won't have to work as hard Saturday and Sunday. Harmony, how are the roads?
Touche, touche, touche. As hard. See, she had to